Hello everyone, so today I have made a dapp which can deploy your smart contract as well as you can test your read and write functions of your smart contract. Also, I have integrated OpenAI which can help you to generate your smart contract. So let me just show you a quick demo. I have already made a smart contract. Let me just copy that and paste in this section. Now you need to add the private key. So make sure in your the account you are using the private key have some faucet. So after that you need to choose the network you want to deploy a smart contract. Just let me just select the Sepholia and just click on this deploy contract button, and then you need to just wait for some couple of seconds and let the deployment completes. Okay, here you can see the our smart contract has been deployed successfully. If we just copy the contract address and paste in the Sepholia scan. Okay, just refresh it. Here you can see 3 seconds ago contract creation. So we have successfully deployed our smart contract so easily. So now if we just go to this text section and if we just copy a verified smart contract, our smart contract is not been verified, so we can't use our smart contract which we have deployed now. So I will use Uniswap token contract for this tutorial, and if we just copy this and paste over here and click on this button fetch contract API, here you can see all the read and write functions have been showing us. So if we just match with the Uniswap token contract, you will find that exactly the same functions have been showing in our website as well. This is the delegation type hash. Great. So if we just click on this delegation type hash read function, so this address is been showing, and if we just click on this delegation type hash, so it is showing selected function delegation type hash, and just click on this test function button and wait for some couple of seconds. Here you can see that the result has been shown. That's exactly the same address which it is showing in the Uniswap token Sepholia scan. You can match with the address. So if we just check one more read function, that is name, it is showing Uniswap. So if we just click on this name function read function and click on this test function button, here you can see the Uniswap result has been showing. So here you can check all the read function as well as there are lots of you can say write function as well. So if we just click on any write function mint, here you need to add the input, and you can click on this test function button to test the write function. Basically I have integrated my private key in the backend so that you can test all the write function by yourself without paying any gas fees. That means that I am from my wallet all the gas fees have been paid for testing your smart contract. And one more section I am going to show you, that is write. Just click on this write button, and here you can see that you can generate your smart contract using OpenAI. I have integrated OpenAI, so that means just here you need to add your specification of the smart contract you want to generate and add your OpenAI API key. Then you need to click on this generate button to get the result. Okay, so it is very simple. And if you just click on this code button, here some of the custom smart contract I have created which you can copy and use in your project. If you just click on this NFTs marketplace source code, it will be showing you the custom smart contract which I have made in this section. You can copy and use in your project. Lots of more smart contracts I have made. You can click on the source code button to get the source code. And this two insurance web3 and ENS domain selling, I have not made the smart contract. It is made it blank, so you can't use it for now. But these four smart contract I have made, so you can use it. So let me just go through a quick demo of the source code which I have made for this dapp. So let me just go to the OpenAI first to generate the smart contract. Here you can see this is the basic you can say the source code which I am using from the OpenAI documentation. The basic thing, just I have just used exactly the same which have been shown in the OpenAI. Here I have added the model GPT 3.5 and added the custom prompt, and now I have added some input fields to get the input from the user, and in this section the result have been shown. Very simple. Okay, so let me just show you the backend of this smart contract deployer. So this is the backend. Here you can see I have added 3 test network, that is the Sapolia, Mumbai, Gorli, and this is the RPCs of those networks. Here you can see all the source code have been provided here in this backend file. So I will be providing the source code in the description so you can use it. So just check it out in the description and you will get the source code. And if any doubts are present, you can comment it down in the comment section. So till then, have a great day.